Did you know that your resume can help you get a job very easily? You don't believe it? Then today's video is exclusively for you. Hello guys, I'm Ritesh Goa and welcome to another episode of Designing with Ritesh Goa. Let's style. Before we start the discussion, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Please don't forget to like and share my video among your friends and relatives to encourage me in making new and exciting videos for you. Please don't skip the video and watch it till the end, as you will be asked a simple question at the end of the video on which you can put your opinion in the comment section. Are you applying for a job? Are you still using the old boring resume? It's time to get updated, buddy, because your resume can help you get the job more easily. We all know that during an interview, since you are completely unknown to the interviewer, your resume must provide a neat description of your personality. There has been a lot of confusions regarding what should be the contents which should be mentioned in the resume. Also, what should be the appropriate design? Should it be more colorful or it should be in grayscale? Let us solve all these confusions in today's episode. What should a resume have? A resume, if it is printed, should be in A4 size on a paper which is neither too thick nor too thin. On the top should be written resume or Curriculum Vitae. Next, on the left hand side, you can present your photograph, which should be very much formal without any sunglasses or mask. Of course, the first point which comes in the resume is your name, followed by your gender and your date of birth. Next, you can provide your parents' name, your contact number and email ID. Next comes your present residential address along with your academic qualifications and professional qualifications if you have any. After this, the most important part, that is experience. You must mention all the experiences you are having along with the name of the company for which you have worked for and the duration of your job with the company. Next point are the hobbies and the languages you know. Hobbies play an important role in the resume as it showcases the mentality of the person. Next comes the achievements. The awards you have won, the excellences you have achieved all come under this point. Finally, the date of application and your full signature. You can also mention the references if you have any at the end of the resume. This is the basic format for making a resume. Now comes the design. The days when there were simple and straight resume are gone. It has become boring now. Nowadays, companies prefer those resume which are extremely creative and innovative. For example, a person who is involved in fashion designing can create his or her resume in the form of a dress form theme like this. A person who is into textiles can create his or her resume like this. A dancer can create his or her resume in the form of a unique dancing theme like this. And a teacher can take his or her theme as teaching. Also, we must be very much cautious about the use of colors to avoid over-designing and vibrancy. A lot of people get nervous during an interview. As a result, they miss out the basic points which are important to prove themselves worthy for the job. But trust me, it's very easy to crack an interview if your body language is perfect. Now, how to achieve that? You can learn it on my special online and offline classes at a very reasonable cost. For more details, contact me now. Like now. I hope you have understood how to make a resume and how to make it more fashionable. So how would you like to design your resume? Tell me in the comment section and also ask me any questions you are having. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Please don't forget to like and share my video among your friends and relatives to encourage me in making new and exciting videos for you. Thank you very much.